guys, what's up? Welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, my name is ARA and this is my channel. So before anything else, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on that notification bell down below for more upcoming videos. So yes, click, click, click. So anyway, for today's video guys, as you can see in the title below, yes, I will talk about how to properly use the A Bonne or A Bonne Spa Milk Salt. Here is the A Bonne Spa Milk Salt, or if you want to see it actual, here it is. So just like the collagen soap, maybe you guys have not been using it the right way. So don't worry guys, don't be sad, because I'm here for you and I will help you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so before I start guys, I just want to stress this out to all my viewers out there. Please be respectful of other people's preferences in life, because there are really people that wants to have a lighter skin tone. At the same time, there are also people that wants vice versa, or wants to have a darker skin tone. Either of the two, I support you 110%. And please do not call those who wants to have a lighter skin tone racist, because for me, racism comes when you bully that person. Might as well be respectful of other people's preferences, because whatever it is that we want to have in our life, as long as you do not hurt other people, then it's very amazing, and I will support you in every step of the way. So let's get into the video. So you guys might be wondering, what is A Bonne or A Bonne Spa Milk Salt? So I have Codigo right here. Spa Milk Salt guys is a skin whitening product with milk formula, and it has natural spa salt benefits. It provides nourishment to your skin with pure milk. It removes dirt, deposits, and dead skin cells from your body, giving you a new and radiant skin. So that's what we want, diba? A new and radiant skin. So in layman's term guys, it is basically a skin whitening product, and it actually exfoliates your skin, which will give you a newly radiant skin. For me guys, believe me when I say this, after using the A Bonne Spa Milk Salt, you will really feel the after effect that it has really smoothened your skin. So first, let us start with the what to do. Number 1, apply A Bonne Spa Milk Salt first before you proceed to using your usual soap. So guys, what you're gonna do is you apply a small amount, you put a small amount of A Bonne Spa Milk Salt. So it's this one guys, mura siyang sand. It's a sand-like texture. It looks like a sugar actually. So it will really exfoliate your skin. So you're just going to put a small amount of the A Bonne Spa Milk Salt to your palm, and you apply it on wet skin. Make sure guys that your skin is wet, because if your skin is not wet, the product will not stick to your skin, therefore it's not gonna be effective. So, and then after doing that, you will then proceed to your normal or your usual soap that you use for taking a bath. Number 2, apply and scrub gently. Guys, this, I know that this is common, but I just want to stress this out, that it is very important to just gently scrub it or apply it on your body, so that it will not cause friction. Because guys, if it will cause friction on your skin, it will then result to a darker shade on that specific area, because eventually it will burn your skin. So please guys, if you apply it on a circular motion, for example, this is your kilikili or this is your underarm, and then you are going to apply it on your underarm, make sure that you are just rubbing it gently and softly, and make sure to just be careful so that it wouldn't cause friction. Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes only and then proceed to your usual soap. So just like the Kojisan soap, guys, first you will use this A Bonne Spa milk salt and then leave it for 3 to 5 minutes only, not below that or not beyond that, because if you use it beyond that time, it will burn your skin, or if you will use it below that time, it will not affect because it will not absorb to your body. So now let us proceed to the things that we shouldn't do. First, do not use loofah when applying A Bonne Spa milk salt, because guys, as what I've shown you earlier, this product is like a sugar or sand-like. It's very hard. So basically, it's gonna exfoliate your skin. And then when you use loofah kasi guys, it's also for exfoliating your skin. But in loofah, you will need to apply soap or whatever that you want to have to scrub your skin. This one, guys, this will really scrub your skin also. So when you use this, you just apply it using your bare hands. Make sure to apply it on wet skin and then apply it. Do not use loofah, guys, because I have friends that uses loofah when they apply it, and they said that it has caused them wounds, like open wounds good, because it's very hapdi na daw. They said nga nasama daw sila, or it caused them wounds, which is such a no-no, okay? So please do not use loofah when you are applying A Bonne Spa milk salt. Number 2 is do not use loofah even after using the A Bonne Spa milk salt, okay? Because it will cause double exfoliation. As what I've said on my video about the Kojisan soap, you may use loofah, guys, at least 2 to 3 times a week. And then let's say that it's that time of the day or the week when you're gonna use this A Bonne Spa milk salt, then that should be the time of the week where you're not gonna use loofah to scrub your body, okay? Because we do not need exfoliation on our body every single day. Just make it around two times a week is already good, okay? So now we are down to the tips and tricks for this product to be more effective on you. So number 1, for best results, use at most. Guys, this is already at most, okay? At most 3 times a week, okay? Do not use this every day because I assure you it will just cost you some wounds, masusugatan ka lang, and or in Bisaya, mashamad lang ka anang style ana, guys. So yes, number 2, for best results, I suggest you use whitening and moisturizing lotion after. And it's also best if you also use like a lotion na it has like a high SPF. For me, I'm using a lotion with SPF 30. This A Bonne Spa milk salt is just like the Kojisan soap. It's also a skin whitening agent, so automatically it's also gonna make your skin dry. But with the use of lotions that you prefer on your skin, it will help moisturize your skin. But don't worry, this does not make your skin dry like the Kojisan soap, but because this one exfoliates, so therefore after you take a bath, you will really feel like the smoothest effect on this product. So that's it, guys. So that's basically the tips and tricks on how to properly use this product. So I hope you guys learned a lot from me. And also, guys, if you still have any more questions, if there are things that I didn't like explain clearly, I'm really sorry, guys. Just comment it down below and I would gladly answer everything for you. So bye, guys, and I'll see you on my next videos.